Another one.
Yes, we do, Khalid. We have another t-shirt review for you guys. At this point, I should just become a t-shirt review channel, but a lot of you guys enjoy these kind of videos. So today we're checking out WYR shirts, also known as Would You Rather Wear, and we're gonna break this review down in a few categories such as packaging, fit and feel of the fabric, wash test, and my final verdict. I also want to disclose that WYR did reach out to me and provide a product for this review, but there is no filter when I make a product review video, so everything I say is my honest opinion. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so let's start with the packaging. Like most t-shirts, they come in their own separate zip bag with their logo. Each t-shirt was folded neatly and have their own tag attached. Nothing crazy, just simple and clean packaging. Now, as for my first impression when opening and feeling the fabric, I noticed that there is no texture feel to it. It's a very smooth and clean soft finish, which is very nice actually. Color on all three t-shirts is more of a flat matte finish compared to other t-shirts I reviewed. Hopefully the camera can pick it up correctly, but the colors are far from vibrant, which I thought I should know for this video. Once I threw it on without even looking at the mirror, I knew I made the right decision going true to size. It fits well in all areas of my body. The neckline has a perfect curvature without sitting too high or too low. The fabric, you know, it feels premium. I'll give them that. Looking at the specs, the t-shirts are made out of 95% Egyptian cotton and 5% lycra, while weighing a bit heavier than your standard t-shirt, which I would agree with. This does have a bit weight to it, but it's still relatively light on the body. Next tee that I tried on was their curved hem tee, and it seems to fit about the same as the split hem tee. I was worried that if it may be a little too elongated, but it sits about the same as, you know, wearing the split hem minus, you know, the middle portion of the t-shirt. Now for the long sleeve Henley, this was my least favorite because not only were the sleeves a bit long, but it was also snug in the forearm area, and I have very thin forearms, so I can imagine it being tight for dudes with bigger arms. But overall, nothing too major. I do like the thicker buttons added to the placket. It's similar to buttons I have on, you know, on my better quality dress shirts. After, you know, getting a feel on how they fit, I would categorize these as well-fitted t-shirts on the tight to baggy scale. I wouldn't say these are dad bod friendly t-shirts. And my suggestion is, if you're in between sizes or want a bit of a looser fit, I would say to size up a size or two, but you can refer to the size chart if you plan on giving this brand a try. Okay, so far so good. I really don't want to wash these because I'm happy with how the t-shirts fit, but we got to do it. I'm just gonna, you know, throw it in the wash how I normally do. I'm not gonna follow their instructions. I mean, who does that really? Who really pays attention to that? But whatever, I'm just gonna do it how I do it. With the power of editing, I'm back. They are washed. The t-shirts have been washed and they came out of a hot dry cycle, and here is the final result. I'm gonna throw them up now. So it has shrunk a tiny bit. It just fits a bit closer to the body, which isn't a bad thing, but you know, of course, since we have that 5% lycra, it would stretch and just conform to my body throughout the day. The Henley, you know, it's still, I mean, it fits slightly better, but the sleeves are still too long for me, and you know, the forearm area is not, I'm not a big fan of that, the snugness of the forearm area. Yeah, pretty nice stuff from WYR. I, you know, actually sleep on Egyptian cotton sheets and wear Egyptian cotton dress shirts, and now I'm wearing Egyptian cotton t-shirts. I mean, that's a game changer and a first actually for this channel when it comes to t-shirt reviews. I give them the thumbs up. You guys did good with this one, and looking at the reviews, it seems that their customers think so as well, so don't only take my word for it. As always, I fetched you guys a code, so if you're interested, use code AS15 at checkout to get 15% off your order. But that wraps up this review, and hopefully the sizing scale segment was helpful when deciding to buy t-shirts from this company. I get attacked by bigger guys who couldn't fit a certain size t-shirt, and I'm the one to blame apparently. But yeah guys, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.